calcium carbide slag can replace limestone to make cement, to produce quicklime as calcium carbide raw material, to produce chemical products, to produce building materials, and to treat the environment. The test curve of carbide slag ball press shows that there are large pores in the original carbide slag at the beginning of pressure. The amount of compression increases rapidly. When the material is compressed to a certain extent, the internal pores of raw coal will be eliminated, and the granular materials will conflict with each other. Compression increase is very slow. To press out enough strength of calcium carbide slag with enough pressure, generally required to be compressed to the basic removal of pores, particles embedded with each other, molding pressure and compression curve. Also, the molding characteristic curve. It provides a theoretical basis for the design of the molding machine.